yeah, so for 2 years, right, that's what they did, and then they told us.
Never even look at the all. No, something wrong with the brake. What makes you stop? What makes you